Y'all, I got happy mail today from Carol. Let me show you what Carol sent to me. She outdid herself. She sent me some chocolates, some beauty cream. God knows I need that. Some unscented body wash bar. She sent me some hand wipes, which I will be using these for when I do pastel because, you know, pastel gets messy. So I am so happy about those. She sent me two $10 gift certificates to our favorite Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A. She also sent me this for some of my journaling. It is so cool. I cannot wait to use it. It is so cute. It is called a safety compass, and it has all these kinds of things you can do with it. So you know I'll be trying that out soon. All right, that's the first thing she sent. Then she sent me this beautiful little box. But inside the box, look, she got me some lifesavers. Look at these. These are gorgeous. See these paper clips, and then you can clip it on. It's for journaling, and you can stick your pen in there. It's really cool. And of course, all different kinds of pens for me to try out with my bullet journaling. Oh, glitter markers. 2-in-1 colors. You remember when we used to get those ink pens that had the 4 colors and we thought we were hot stuff if we had those at school? I love those things. All right, so that. Oh, but there's more. She got Dr. Death, who also is known as my husband, this handy dandy little cookbook so that he can prepare meals for me. And some of these look absolutely delicious. He better get on this. Oh, brownie. Oh, yes. He needs to get on this book when he comes home from work today. We will be discussing. But she sent that. Not only did she send that, ooh, I'm shaking the camera, she made me one of her all-time special handmade, hand-painted with Tombow markers, hand-stamped wishing me well cards with a nice little note. Y'all don't need to read my note. But that is beautiful. You know I'm going to save it because that's a piece of art right there. I love it. Okay, but still, that's not all. Carol outdid herself. Thank you so much, Carol. She sent me this handy dandy little, you can make it bigger or smaller, little bin. And what's in here? I forgot what she sent me here. Oh, she sent me a handwritten letter, but I'm not reading that. Yes, none of y'all's business. That's our business. But look, she got me a coloring book for my Tombow markers. I cannot wait to color in it. Is that not cool? She got me word finds because she knows I'm going to be bored because for next week, I'm 2 weeks I'm not supposed to do nothing, which is about to drive me nuts already. And she got me an artist sketchbook. And here, this is the paper clip I was telling you about. So you can just stick your pen right down in there and have it ready. And she got me a nice little artist sketch pad. Look at that. I tell you what, thank you so much, Carol. I love you so much. That was so thoughtful, all this stuff. I am so blessed to have such good friends and good people in my life. But this right here, work of art. Thanks, Carol. Love you.